Hello all, in this video we will see how to use the dot step command to perform sweeps in LTspice. Sweeps meant we will be running a particular value from one value to another in different steps so that we can simulate all the things at once. So let us explain what do we mean by that. Let us assume we have a simple voltage divider. Okay, let us construct a simple voltage divider. So we have a voltage source. Let us assume we have a voltage source of 5 volts here. Okay, and then let us assume we have 10k here. Okay, for example, if we want to divide a voltage to a particular value and you want to give this output, okay, in such a case what we'll do is we will use v into r2 by r1 plus r2 formula, and then select the resistor randomly, or use an excel sheet to calculate the value and change the value. So we can use this simple simulation, whatever we are showing here, to run that sweep and see what is the voltage. So for this, let us actually run a simulation. Let us assume we will keep it as x. So that means we are keeping this x as a variable here, and the other resistor is 10k. And let us go to the spice directive. Here what we have to do is we have to give step parameter. Okay, and then what we can do is we have to give x. Okay, and what we can do is 1k to 50k in steps of 1k. Okay, so what we are doing is using the step command for the parameter x, we are actually giving a value from 1k to 50k in steps of 1k. That's what it means. Okay, let us put the step here, and then we can give the transient command. Let us assume we are doing it for 2 milliseconds time to start the data. Let us keep it 0, and this is the transient command. Okay, yeah, simplest thing we missed. Okay, now this is what is the transient command. Very simple thing, just to understand. Ground is required, right? So just miss that. Okay, and then let us try to simulate this. And once you simulate here, you can see the variety of values that are being populated. Okay, so that means what is happening here, around 1k to 50k in steps of 1k means there are 50 values which are being presented. Let us assume we wanted 2.5 volt here. Simply we needed 10k, correct? So in case if we want to display only 10k, we can right click here, click on view, and select steps. What we can do is let us select only 10k and click. Okay, you see here 10k is 2.5 volt, and then if you want all the traces, view, select steps, you can click select all and click OK. Okay, so this is how you can uh, check and see how much is the voltage drop across each resistor. Now, because we said 2.5 volts, you are clear that this is a simple resistor divider, just voltage divider, and you know it is 10k. But how would you know if this is example, we need some 3.2 volt or something and not exactly half of the voltage? How would you do? How do you identify that? Okay, so let us see how to identify. Let us assume we want 2 volts here. Okay, and not just 2.5. So for this case what we have to do is you have to click on the window here and when you go to file, you have something called export data as text. Okay, so when you click that, it will export the entire results file, the analysis file, to your folder where this project is saved. Okay, now if you open that, okay, this will be the file which will be present, which will actually show you the x value that is run. Okay, and then the voltage that is developed. Now you can, for a simple example simplicity, let us go to 10k here. So in this 10k value, okay, you can see that the output voltage here is 2.5 volt. So you see the parameters here, this is the node voltage, this is the time. Okay, so now in this case, as we wanted some 2 volts, you can scroll up. Okay, and you see here the nearest value that is there is 2.05. Okay, which is 7k. Now if you want exactly 2k, that means you need some value between 6k and 7k. Okay, this is how we can actually perform simple simulations, and especially the step command, right, can be used to perform the simulations to identify values. So there is a very simplest example. There can be n number of cases where you might want to identify a value in a complex circuit, or for example, if you are designing a simple op amp circuit, you might want to have the gain values identified, or you want some compensation components to be added, anything. We can run these sweeps and identify, and LTspice provides these beautiful options.